This is my TradingView charting platform, guys, and I want you to take a close look at it. You get the concept. Just take a close look at my TradingView charting platform, and also this is my MetaTrader 5 trading platform. As you can see, my MetaTrader 5 is just like what my TradingView platform, and in this very video I'll be showing you guys how to customize your chart just like I did, show you guys how to do your setting and everything just like your TradingView platform, guys. So stick to the very end of this video, don't go to anywhere, because I'm not only going to show you how to customize your chart, but I'll be showing you guys the new features of MetaTrader 5 on Android. You get the concept. So I'll be showing you guys how to navigate the MetaTrader 5 and their new features, what are they for, and if you look up here, you notice that some symbols here are kind of different with the old version of MetaTrader 5 for Android. So stick close and don't go to anywhere. Close your WhatsApp, close your Facebook, close your Instagram, and watch me as I'll be walking you step by step on how to customize your chart and also how to navigate the new and updated MetaTrader 5, guys. So subscribe to this channel if you're new to the channel or you're hearing my voice for the first time. You're welcome to GiveBedFS. This is a channel upload for educational videos, and also we upload no deposit bonus to these videos, and also show you how to get free profit for you to scale your trading. You get the concept. So smash that subscribe button, hit the notification icon so you get notified by YouTube whenever I'm out on video like this job, guys. So without taking much of your time, let's get into the main video of today, guys. So first of all, on how I customize my chart. You get, if you want your chart to be just like my own, now what you have to do once you open your chart, first of all, guys, before I proceed, make sure your MetaTrader 5 is like it's updated. Your MetaTrader 5 is updated. Make sure you're using the updated version of MetaTrader 5. If you're not using the updated version, what you have to do, go to Play Store, search for MetaTrader 5 and click on update. That's it. So first of all, once you open your chart, click on it, click on where it says settings. Once you click on the settings, it will take you here. Settings. Once you click on your settings, it will take you here. What you have to do, scroll down to where it says what colors. Now you can take a screenshot of my own setting. You get the concept. Take a screenshot of my own setting. Now if you look here where you see scheme, once you click on scheme, you notice we have color on white, green on black, black on white, and blah blah blah, so many other things. So you just have to do what, to click on this. You just have to click on color on white, or you click on my own. I've already customized my own. That's the reason why I'm saying custom here, because I've already set my chart line, blah blah blah, candlestick colors, and so many other stuff. But make sure your default color is white, like just the background is white. Yes. So I'll just leave mine on custom because I've already customized mine. Okay. What you have to do here, you can just take a screenshot here. Once you take a screenshot, you notice what, like, you just have to go to your own platform and do the same thing. You can see that on my grid is white, my foreground is black. You get, my bar up is blue, bar down black, bold candle blue, and bear candle. Just take a screenshot of these. I don't want this video to be too long. Take a screenshot of everything and you can go and replicate the same thing. You get the concept. So you can see it here. I'm just delaying here so you can take a screenshot and go do the same setting right there on your own chart. You get set the same color and everything if you want your chart to be like mine. You get the concept. So the next aspect of it is the new features we have here on MetaTrader. You get the concept. So MetaTrader chart just like mine. If you already know how you customize your trading view, you can just do the same thing on your MetaTrader. If you have any questions, comment down below, or you need more detailed video, and comment down below and I'll make it up to you guys. Now if you look here now on how to enable this, you get this stuff you are seeing here, how to enable the one click. What you have to do, you just have to come to your home page here. So I'm working with a demo account. That is a competition account, though a demo account. So what you have to do, you just have to come to the sidebar, click on setting. Once you click on setting, you just have to do what, you just have to put it on advanced mode. Make sure you put it on advanced mode. After putting it on advanced mode, what you have to do, you go back and you can also enable one-click trading. You can also enable one-click trading, and to take you here. Once you take you here, click on accept and OK it. Once you click on accept and OK it, then you can have your one-click trading here on your chart platform. And here we have for the lot size, where you can increase and decrease your lot size. So to increase your lot size, what you have to do, you just have to click here. This arrow up is to increase. You get the concept. And once you click on it, you can see it. You can see from the one lot. If you want to set one lot size, you can click on it here. So if I click here, you notice what a change here. And if I want to decrease it, I just have to click here, and I can decrease it to 0.1. or decrease it even more just by clicking here. You get the concept. That's just it. So here, once you decrease your lot size, what you have to do is very simple. You just have to do what, to click on buy or sell. I want to click on buy or sell. Automatically you place a trade. You get the concept, even without you following long procedures to place your trade, guys. And here we have the crossbar sign where you just have to do what, to use it to calculate your pips. So if I'm calculating my pips here, from this point to here, it's about 76 pips. You get the concept. From here to there, 76 pips. So here is just the crossbar. You can use it to drag it to any price point of your choice. And here we have what, we have the indicator tab. You get, so here is an indicator tab. So once you click on it, you can add indicator on your chart. Let me say you want to add a moving average on my chart. Let me just add any random indicator on my chart so you can see for yourself. You get the concept. All right, moving average. Okay, done. And I go back, bam, you can see what, moving average on my chart. So if I want to remove it, I'll just click back there, click on delete here, and just wipe everything. Boom. You get the concept. So here now is your time frame. So once you click on it, now you see your different time frame from M1, M5, M15, M30, 1 hour to the weekly time frame. Also, you can also get your time frame by clicking at the screen here. So this is the one we know, like this round circle popping up on our screen. You get the concept. So here, the next icon you are seeing here to set your limit orders. You get the concept. To set your limit orders, drag and drop. Like this is one of the most awesome stuff I really do love. You get, because I like trading news, and with this it will really help me out and my students that are trading news with me. If you are my student watching this video, I want you to pay close attention to this very aspect, because I'll be showing you guys how to set your limit orders so we can continue milking the fundamentals analysis and high impact new release using our straddle strategy. You get the concept. So let's proceed, shall we? Now once you click on here, you notice what? You notice a pop-up on our screen. Now you just have to drag this line to any point where you want to set your limit orders. You get the concept. Let's say you want to set a limit buy stop here. So once you drag your line here, you can now, if you drag your line there, you notice what? It's showing you what? Sell limit. You get, it's showing you sell limit. So what you have to do, just click on here where it says sell limit, and it will change to what? Buy stop. Once it changes to buy stop, click on what? The next you have to do, click on where it says SL. You get, once you click on SL, you just have to drag this line to any point where you want to set your SL. You get, just drag it to any point you want to set your SL. And the next option is what? Your TP. Where you want to set your TP, you can see it there. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can drag the green line to anywhere you want to set your TP. And when you are done with that, click on the arrow here, the arrow at the right hand corner. So click on this arrow, and once you click on the arrow, to take you here where you just have to see everything and do what? Click on what? Place. And once you click on place, automatically you have what? Place your order. And if you look here now, you notice what? You have your buy stop, you have your SL, and you have your take profit here. Let me set your sell stop so you can see for yourself again. Okay, let's say I want to sell a sell stop around here. So I just have to drag this. After dragging it, if you notice it's showing me what? Buy limit. So I'll just change it to a sell stop. Click on my SL, and I'll drag my SL maybe to somewhere around here. And my TP, I'll drag my TP. You get, I just have to drag my TP to alright. So let's set our sell stop. I should drag it here, click here. You notice what? Sell stop. I just have to click on SL, drag my SL to any point I want to fix it, and my TP, just drag my TP down and click on the arrow, place. So if you look on my chart now, you notice what? I have my sell limit orders here. I also have what? I have my sell stop, and I also have what? My buy stop. You get the concept. So if I want to wipe this now, I'll just have to go here, and once I go here now, you notice what? I have my GBP USD sell stop and GBP USD buy stop. So I just have to drag it, click on delete if I want to delete it, because I don't really need it. If you come here, you notice what? The sell stop have been deleted. We are only having what? The buy stop here. So we just have to delete the buy stop also, because we don't really need it now unless when needed. You get the concept. So once we come back to our chart here now, here, this option is where you just have to do what? To close this or open it. You get, like if you want a full scape, if you don't want this, you just have to click here. If you want it, let's say you do your analysis after doing your analysis, you want to place your trade, you just have to do what? To click here. You get. If you want to make your analysis, you click here. It will go back and just have to click here for it to pop up. Calculate your lot size and do what? You either buy or sell. You get the concept. So if I should click on buy now, I just have to accept this. Okay, that's the one click. You need to accept the one click like I showed you guys previously. I should click on buy now. You notice what? If you look here, you see this pop-up message buy, and if I come to my trade, I have a running trade on GBP/USD buy. You can see just one click, which is awesome, guys. This is mind blowing. I just have to delete this because it's just a tutorial, and that's it, guys. So if you come here, your history as usual, you get the concept. And here, if you want to filter your history and maybe some other thing, we have the quote here where you have to choose the quote, any quote at all you want to trade. You get the concept. Any quote, you just have to click on here, search for the quote you want to trade, maybe US dollar. For instance, if I scroll down, you notice what I just added US dollar. If I want to remove it, I click on the pencil icon, click on the delete icon, and I remove everything here. Anything I don't need, just have to remove it. And maybe even the US dollar, I just have to do a delete it out. And if you come back, you won't see it there again. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon, and subscribe to the channel, guys. See you in our next video. If you have any question, comment down below, and don't forget to join our Telegram community. Link I show me down below. Peace, and see you in our next video, guys.